Cold case and cooler cleaning is a key component of customer satisfaction. Our service improves store appearance and overall facility health while yielding a significant savings in energy and reduction in untimely service calls and costs. When cases aren't properly cleaned, dirt, grime, and product runoff can build up, blocking drains and creating an environment that is rich with algae and bacteria-laden growth. This becomes a source for product contamination, offensive sights and smells, potential illness, and overall customer dissatisfaction. At Plyers Inc., our trained technicians work with your team, sending representatives ahead of your scheduled service to provide an overview and assure we've aligned our vision and understanding of expectations to pave the way for a true collaboration. Plyers' four-step approach to case cleaning starts with safety. Before our technicians disassemble cases, a safety area is clearly cordoned off to ensure your customers are out of harm's way and able to continue their shopping with minimal interruption. Following product removal by your staff, cases are disassembled and all honeycombs, fan assemblies, bottom pans and shelves, kick plates, and drain covers are thoroughly cleaned. Then, the case bottoms are scraped and vacuumed free of debris before our technicians wash all coils, walls, air baffles, drain pipes, and mirrors. Following cleaning, cases are fully reassembled, wiped dry, and brought down to temp. The area around the cases is also cleaned and restored to its normal operating capacity. Once complete, our team's designated point of contact will walk the case row with your manager for inspection and to verify equipment function before issuing a ready for product status. Then the restocking can begin. Cleaning the evaporators is all about preparation, with our technicians taking every necessary precaution to ensure your products are moved or protected. During this process, the evaporator coils, drains, and components are thoroughly cleaned along with the cooler walls. Once complete, the evaporators are reassembled, the area is cleaned, reset, and equipment operation is verified. Our customers appreciate our comprehensive reporting as videos and photos are gathered by our technicians during each shift to help pinpoint additional issues discovered during service and to verify the quality of the job with pre- and post-service shots. So, when it comes to cold case and cooler cleaning, look no further than Plyers Inc. to ensure the safety of your customers and superior product protection. Plyers Inc., providing sustainable solutions for businesses since 1992.